This video answers the query how to buy shares of Replimune Group Inc. Replimune is a clinical stage biotech focused on oncolytic immunotherapies. It trades on NASDAQ as REPL, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy REPL, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as the example. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker REPL. Then select the Replimune Group Inc. listing that shows NASDAQ to ensure it's the correct stock. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the page shows Replimune Group Inc. and the ticker REPL before continuing. Click Buy or Trade. Enter the amount you want to invest. Then carefully review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade, your Replimune position will appear in your portfolio. A gentle reminder, the link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform.